voice, yeah. Spirit of the living God, breathe afresh on us. Breathe afresh on us. Spirit of the living God, breathe afresh on us. We need a refreshing. We need a renewal. Spirit of the living God, Spirit of the living God, our generation need another move of the Spirit. Like you promised, 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 like you promised. We cry out, we cry out. Say, Lord, you promised, Lord, you promised. Lord, you promised, Lord, you promised. You said you'd send the wind. You said you'd send the fire. You said you'd send the cloud. You said it, you said it. You said it, you said it. You said it, you said it. And we won't settle for anything less. We won't let disappointment make us settle. We won't let disillusionment make us settle. We'll keep crying out, we'll keep crying out, we'll keep crying out. We won't let complacency make us settle. We won't let frustration make us settle. We'll keep crying out, keep crying out, keep crying out. We'll keep crying out, keep crying out, keep crying out. We'll be the voice in the wilderness, in the wilderness. We'll be the voice in the wilderness, in the wilderness. We'll be the voice, even if no one else hears us, even if no one else hears us. We'll keep crying out, we'll keep crying out. We'll keep crying out, we'll keep crying out. We'll go where you want us to go. We'll say what you want us to say. Because you're soon to return, and we must prepare the way. So we'll be the voice. We'll be the voice, Lord. We'll keep crying out, we'll keep crying out. We'll keep crying out, we'll keep crying out. Prepare you the way. Make straight the way of the Lord. Make straight the way of the Lord. Let every mountain be brought low. Let every valley be raised up. Prepare you the way of the Lord. Prepare you the way of the Lord. If you hear the wind, that means he's on his way. If you hear the wind, that means he's on his way. If you hear the wind, and he's not too far, but he's coming. He's coming. And he brings his power with him. And he brings his sword with him. And he brings his strength with him. And he brings his judgment with him. And he brings his mercy with him. And he brings forgiveness with him. He is coming, he's coming, he's coming. He's coming, he's coming. So we'll be the voice the voice. We'll be the voice. You've got this in the fire. You've got this in the fire. You've got this in the fire. Like Elijah, who removed the altar. We call on your name. You got this in the fire. 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 Something shifting in the spirit. Come on, sing in the spirit now. Sound, lift that sound, lift that sound. We send the healing power of God to everybody. Sing it. It's the sound of the Spirit. It's the sound of the Spirit. It's the sound of the Spirit. Sing Come on, this is intercession. This is intercession. Sing Stay right there. We're gonna move on. There's some faith on this. Sing it out. Come on, keep singing that. Keep singing that. I was in the Spirit, and the Lord took me to a valley of dry bones. And he asked me, son of man, and he asked me, son of man, can these dry bones live? Can these dry bones live? Can these dry hey, can these dry bones live? And he said to me to prophesy to the dry bones, 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 prophesy to the dry bones. Wind blows, sing it out. It's the sound of the wind blowing. 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 Sing One more time, sing. Can you feel the wind? 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 Speaking over your generation, hey. Speaking over your generation, saying live, singing live, live son, live daughter, live son, live daughter. You can't die here. You can't die in this. You gotta live, son. You gotta live, daughter. The wind is here to blow you out of complacency, to blow you out of the cycle. You gotta live, son. You gotta live, daughter.